Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You'll begin by confirming prerequisites. You need a Google account and a recovery email or phone. This keeps access recoverable. Once you have credentials, open Photos, Google.com or the Google Photos app and tap Sign In. Enter your email, then password. If two-step is enabled, complete the prompt. Make sure to accept account permissions, storage, backups, and device access, because those settings determine how photos will upload and sync going forward. Next, configure backup and storage choices to control space and data usage. Go to Settings Backup and Sync, turn it on to automatically upload new photos. Choose Upload Size. Original preserves quality and uses Google Storage. Storage Saver reduces file size and saves space. Then select which device folders to include and set mobile data backup rules so you won't exceed your plan. Once configured, run a manual backup to verify initial uploads complete. Finally, verify your account by checking the web gallery at Photos. Google.com, your recent uploads should appear within minutes. Organize albums, enable partner sharing if needed, and review storage in Google Account Storage to avoid surprises. If photos don't sync, force a backup. Reopen the app, toggle backup and sync off then on, and restart the device. If you hit storage limits, delete large items or upgrade Google One. Keep two-step enabled so you stay secure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.